Have you ever noticed the people you tend to overlook? Today, let's talk about 3 types of people you should never underestimate. First, the quiet ones. They might not say much, but they're watching everything closely. Next, the kind ones. They often carry more pain inside than anyone realizes, yet they still offer their help. And finally, the consistent ones. Day after day, they put in the work quietly, and in the end, they always come out on top. Remember, strength doesn't always speak loud. It often shows itself through quiet actions.